Defence Force personnel are still well unaccounted for in Lebanon, in Syria and in Israel. Framework operations are ongoing, and our force protection measures are in place to ensure that our personnel are both safe when they're conducting their operations and monitoring and observation. So our personnel have had to go to what we call Groundhog, which means they've gone into bunkers, but the bunkers are outfitted in such a way that they can still maintain situational awareness and contact with our two forward posts in UNIFIL at the blue line, which are 652 and 650. Our troops in Syria and Israel were in Groundhog yesterday and have come out, and our troops in Lebanon were in early this morning, were in Groundhog, yes. The members of the 127th Infantry Battalion have been training since August last year, so they undergo a rigorous deployment period of training culminating in a mission readiness exercise, which is where the battalion deploys in full to the Glen of Amal, and they set up an exercise where they essentially mimic being deployed to UNIFIL and go over all the scenarios that they would face there. So they are well trained and well prepared and well led for the situation that they now find themselves in.